Life is a series of choices. Have you noticed? We make hundreds of choices every single day. Many of them are without thinking. We choose what to wear, where to go, what to say, and how to act. Of course, some of our choices are trivial and don't have any lasting impact on our lives. But I think you should be amazed how many other choices you and I make that can greatly affect our future. For example, you choose your thoughts every day. You choose which ones you will dwell on and which ones you will ignore. You choose your attitude and you choose who you are going to associate with. You choose who you will listen to and how you see yourself. Choices are extremely important. That's because the quality of your life will be determined by the quality of your choice. Thank you.
Forever seems like a long time, but nothing seems like a long time when I am with you. I feel like I'm walking on water since the day that I asked your father to let go of his daughter. So give me your blessing, sir, I'll give her all that I've got. It doesn't look like much, but it sure feels like a lot. Let her take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand. Take my